Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil and in this Laravel video tutorial we will learn about the route middleware. We will see what is the route middleware, how we can make it, how we can register it, how we can apply it, everything that you need to know, right? And at the last I will ask you a question related to the route middleware. So now the question is what is the route middleware? When we are apply a middleware on a specific route, right, then we call it the route middleware. In the previous video we learned about the grouped middleware as well as the global middleware. They are basically used on the globally or on a bunch of the route, right? But route middleware only apply on a single route at a time. So let's see how we can do it. First of all, I'm just going to make some pages. So let's just go to the resources view and just make some pages like home.blade.php. So if you are watching our playlist, then maybe wondering that why I'm just creating these files again and again, right? Because I just create the home.blade.php and the access.blade.php in the previous video also. The reason is maybe you are watching the complete playlist, but some other guy is actually just jumping directly on that video, right? So that time he cannot understand that why I just made this page and how I made this page. That's why I'm just covering the complete thing in a single video separately, right? So just simply write here a h1 tag and just put here home page as well as on a user dot, okay, that is a user page, and let's create one more page. Let's say no access dot blade.php, and now let's make it like you cannot access this website, right? So all pages are ready. Now let's just create a route for them. So just go to the route, file, route, and just simply put here view, and you can also use this view first parameter as an route, and in the second parameter let's just put the our view name like routes, right? And let's copy and paste for home as well as the no access pages. So this is for the home view, no access URL, and no access for view, right? So now try to access them all those pages. So let's access the home, working fine. No access is also working fine, and users is also working fine. So now let's create a middleware. So just write here php artisan make middleware, and middleware name, let's say our middleware name is age check. Hit it, middleware is created. Let's go to the app inside the http and middleware. Here you can see that our middleware name. So let's register it in the kernel.php. So you can see in the previous video we just register the workspace, we just register this middleware in the global and then grouped. Now this is the routed middleware, so we'll register it in the route, right? So let's make a copy of the previous one middleware and just write here protected page, and just put your name like is check. This will be the is check, right? Now let's copy this from here and let's go to the web.php. So let's say I just want to make a filter for age for the users page. So just simply write here middleware and this register page here, right? And now let's make a condition for age check, and just simply write here okay, if dollar request age and dollar request age is less than 18, then user cannot access our website. So just return here, redirect, and no access page, right? And now let's try to access first of all the user's page, because we applied this middleware only a specific route for the users. So just simply write here age is okay. So I just got an error, so let me check what is that. Yeah, actually this is the request, not req, my bad. Right, now let's try to see that. Now you can see that we cannot access the user's page if our age is less than 18. Here you can see that, but we can access the other pages like home, and if our age is 10, then we are still able to access it. So this is the way that how we can apply the middleware on a specific route, right? So you can do it on the to route also, like just do it here if you want. Now if we are going to try to access this home page with the age of 10, then you will go to the no access page, right? So that's all about the route middleware. And now it's time to interview question is that can we apply the to middleware? So let's say one we have a protected page and another one we have the safe page. Can we just apply the to middleware on a single route, right? So you can answer this question in the comment box if you want. And thanks for watching this video. God bless you. Bye bye.